there, and welcome back to Missy's Kitchen, coming to you from the beautiful province of Prince Edward Island. Today in the kitchen, we're going to make for you a bacon wrapped pork tenderloin.
Yes!
So the ingredients that you're going to need today are pork tenderloin, bacon, cloves of garlic, some mustard of your choice, mixed with a bit of brown sugar, some pepper, parchment paper, and foil. Let's get started. So to start, you're going to lay your bacon down, just overlap them, and then we're going to take our pork loin, and this is two together. They weren't quite big enough in the store. And then you're going to make some holes with a knife on this side, and this is what we're going to put our garlic down here. If you don't like garlic, you don't have to use it. We're just gonna push them in. Adds a lot of flavor. A couple more. And then you're going to take your mustard and you're just going to spread it on however much you want. And this does get kind of messy, so make sure you wash your hands in between. And then you're just going to flip them over. And do the same on the other side. You might need to cut your garlic in half. Some of mine were pretty big, so it makes it stretch a little farther. And then we're just going to brush this side. I used to buy the pork loin already seasoned, and then I thought one day I could probably do that myself. So I've been doing it ever since. Okay. Now we're just going to bring the bacon up on each side. You can start with this side. Just like this. Make sure it's kind of snug. You don't want your mustard coming out. Oops. Now that it's all wrapped in bacon, we're going to take our pepper mill and we're going to put a heavy dose of pepper down. And then we're just going to take a bit more of our mustard and just lightly brush it. So the next step is to get yourself a baking pan, and you want to line it with foil and some parchment paper. And then we're going to take our pork loin, and this is never really pretty. We're going to roll it on to the parchment paper, side down that you've brushed with your mustard. And then we're going to repeat the same process on the other side. Pepper. Lots of pepper. And then just brushing mustard again. Adds so much flavor. Okay, so the next step, we're going to try to make a boat. So you want to encase your pork loin. You're going to roll your parchment paper around it, and then your foil. And that keeps all the juices in while it's cooking. And then what I like to do is take some toothpicks and just kind of poke them through the foil and the paper and into the meat. It just kind of holds it together. And while you're doing all this, make sure your oven's on 375. What I've decided to do for a side to go with our pork tenderloin is just some vegetables. You can use frozen vegetables or fresh. I'm using fresh cauliflower, carrots, and turnip. Make sure you drizzle them with olive oil and salt and pepper. Make sure there's enough salt in there. And we've got our oven at 375, and we're gonna cook both of them together at about probably 40 to 50 minutes. And I'm gonna put them in the oven now. Okay, our pork loin and our vegetables are done. I had to cook them for an extra 10 minutes, but I'll make sure that's in the description. Hot, hot. Oh, it looks so good. Wonderful. And this is how we like our pork tenderloin, with a side of roasted vegetables. If you like this video, please subscribe and hit the like button. Until next time, bye for now.